Hi everyone. If you've ever hosted people outside and ended up running back and forth to the kitchen for cold drinks, this is one of those products that looks simple at first, but can actually change how your whole setup works. Today I'm reviewing this rolling outdoor cooler cart, and I've been using it mainly for outdoor entertaining. Things like patio hangouts, parties, family get-togethers, and really any time I want drinks cold and easy to grab without having a regular cooler sitting on the ground. The first thing that stood out to me is the way it looks. I know with a cooler, looks are not everything, but if it's going to sit out on a patio, next to an outdoor bar, or in the middle of a party setup, appearance definitely matters. This one has a clean black finish that gives it a classic look without being too flashy. It fits in really well with an outdoor bar setup, and it doesn't have that bulky camping cooler feel. It looks more like something that belongs in a space, especially if you're trying to keep your patio or backyard area looking neat and put together. Assembly was also much easier than I expected. This is not one of those projects where you open the box and instantly regret buying it. It went together pretty simply, and I'd say it's the kind of thing most people can handle without much trouble. Once it was put together, it felt sturdy and well made. Nothing about it felt flimsy in normal use. And that was important to me because I wanted something that could handle parties, outdoor use, and being moved around without feeling like it was going to wobble apart. One of my favorite things about this cooler is that it rolls. That sounds basic, but it makes a big difference. When it's loaded with drinks and ice, the last thing I want to do is drag or lift anything heavy. With this, I can move it around the patio pretty easily. If people are gathered near the bar, I can keep it there. If everyone moves closer to the seating area, I can roll it over. If I need to tuck it away when the party is over, that's easy too. For outdoor entertaining, that kind of flexibility is really useful. The capacity has also been really good for how I use it. I'm not going to pretend I measured every drink or packed it like a science experiment, but for parties and family get-togethers, it holds a good amount. It's been great for keeping drinks available without constantly refilling a small cooler. I've used it for gatherings where people are coming and going, grabbing drinks throughout the day, and it made everything feel more organized. Instead of having cans and bottles scattered across tables or packed into multiple coolers, everything can stay in one good-looking place. And most importantly, it keeps things cold for a long time. That's the real test with something like this. Looks are nice, wheels are nice, but if the drinks get warm too quickly, none of that matters. In my experience, it has kept everything cold for hours without any issue. Even during hot weather, it has done a solid job keeping drinks cool throughout the event. I've had drinks stay cold well into the next day, and that makes it especially useful for longer get-togethers, holiday weekends, or events where you don't want to constantly manage ice and temperature. One feature I really like is the built-in bottle opener. It's a small detail, but it's one of those things you appreciate once you're actually using the cooler. Nobody has to ask where the opener is, and I don't have to dig through a drawer or run inside. It's just there, attached and ready. For an outdoor bar or patio setup, that makes perfect sense. It keeps the whole drink station feeling convenient and self-contained. The bottom shelf is another simple but useful feature. I like having that extra space underneath, because it gives the cart more purpose than just holding ice and drinks. You can use the lower shelf for extra items you want nearby, and it helps keep the area cleaner. During a party, anything that helps reduce clutter is a win. It also gives the cooler a more finished, cart-style design, instead of just feeling like a bin on wheels. If you're thinking about getting one, I actually found a pretty good price on this. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Cleanup is pretty straightforward too, which is something I appreciate after hosting. The drain plug makes it easy to empty out melted ice, instead of having to tip the whole thing over or scoop water out by hand. After a party when I'm already tired and just trying to get everything cleaned up quickly, that drain feature is a big help. It makes the cooler feel more practical for repeated use, not just something you bring out once and then dread cleaning. I've used this for more than just one type of event, and that's where I think it becomes really valuable. It works nicely for a backyard birthday party, a holiday cookout, a picnic-style gathering, or even something like a roadside treat stand where you need items kept cold and easy to access. It has that mix of being functional enough for real use, but stylish enough that it doesn't look out of place when guests are around. I can also see it being useful for weddings or larger outdoor celebrations where you want drinks available without having coolers sitting everywhere. Now, it's not absolutely perfect, so I do want to be fair. There can be small cosmetic issues, like a mark on the top or a little ding in the tray or metal. In my case, something like that wouldn't stop me from using it, because it doesn't affect how the cooler works. But if you're someone who expects the finish to be flawless right out of the box, it's worth checking it over when it arrives. The paint and finish overall look smooth and nice, but small dents or marks are possible. Another thing I'd keep an eye on is the drain valve. The drain is very convenient, but if it isn't sealed perfectly, it could be a small annoyance. I would recommend checking it before loading the cooler up for a big event. Add a little water, make sure everything is tight, and confirm there's no leaking before the day of your party. That's just a simple precaution, and it's better to know ahead of time than notice it when the cooler is full. But overall, those are minor points compared to how useful this has been. The main things I wanted were good looks, easy movement, decent capacity, and strong cooling performance. And this cooler checks those boxes. It has made outdoor entertaining easier, because people can serve themselves, drinks stay cold, and the whole setup looks cleaner. It also feels sturdy enough that I'm comfortable using it again and again, not just for one party. What I like most is that it turns drinks into part of the setup, instead of a chore. Before, using a regular cooler meant bending down, digging through ice, moving it around awkwardly, and having it look a little out of place. With this rolling cooler cart, everything feels more intentional. It becomes a drink station. People know where to go, it looks good, and I don't have to keep running inside to restock cold drinks. So my final take is this. If you host outdoors, have a patio or bar area, or just want a nicer looking cooler for parties, this is a really practical option. It's stylish, easy to assemble, easy to move, and it keeps drinks cold for a long time. I just recommend checking it for any small shipping marks or dents, and testing the drain before your first big event. Other than that, I've been very happy with it, and I think it's a great addition to an outdoor entertaining space. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.